Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to connect this 16x2 LCD module with Arduino board and how to resolve some issues that we commonly face with this LCD module. So let's get started. So first of all, we need to purchase this LCD module. This type of modules you can easily find it in online like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. I have also provided the link in the description as well. Let's buy this LCD module.
The next day.
So I got my LCD display from Amazon. Let's check what is inside. So it's a green color LCD module with separate header pins. To connect this LCD display module with Arduino, we must need to solder the header pins. So let's solder header pins to this display module. Be careful while soldering the joints. So we have done the soldering part. Make sure the soldering joints are done properly. I have also purchased this mini breadboard. Let's use this breadboard with our LCD module. Insert the LCD header pins into the breadboard as shown. Now take some hookup wires. So this type of hookup wires you can find it in your local electrical hardware shops or you can purchase from online. Insert hookup wire in breadboard between VDD pin and BLA pin of LCD display. Now insert another hookup wire in between GND pin and BLK pin of LCD display. Now take a 10K potentiometer and insert into breadboard as shown. So the purpose of this potentiometer is used to adjust the brightness of text in LCD display. Now take a small hookup wire and insert in between potentiometer middle pin and LCD V0 pin. Take another hookup wire and insert in between LCD VDD pin and potentiometer right terminal pin. Finally, insert a hookup wire in between LCD GND pin and potentiometer left terminal pin. So, we have done the potentiometer connections with LCD display. I have also purchased this Arduino board and link is given in the description. So let's start connecting the LCD display to the Arduino board. Take some male-to-male jumper wires. Now connect LCD ground terminal with Arduino ground terminal. Prefer black jumper wire for negative terminal indication. In the same way, connect LCD VDD pin to the Arduino 5V pin. red color jumper wire for positive terminal indication. We have done connecting the jumper wires with Arduino Uno to power up the LCD display. Now, before we move on, let's do a quick test. We want to make sure that LCD is correctly receiving power from the Arduino board. So the backlight of LCD will turn on. Let's power up the Arduino board using this Arduino cable. So one end will be connected to Arduino board and another end will be connected to laptop or any other power source like a power bank, etc. Now Arduino got power from the USB cable and it further powers the LCD display. Here we can see the backlight of LCD has turned on. Let's adjust this potentiometer using a screwdriver to test the brightness levels. Just rotate potentiometer clockwise or anti-clockwise until you can see the black boxes appear on the LCD display. If it is not showing any black boxes, you must have to verify the connections again. If you made any connection wrong, then backlight of LCD display won't turn on. So make sure the connections are correct without any loose wiring. This is the first step we need to validate whether the LCD is getting proper power to turn on the backlight and black boxes are appearing by adjusting the potentiometer. So let's proceed with the further steps of wiring. Take one male-to-male jumper wire and insert one end into the breadboard as shown. So it should be connected to RS pin of LCD display. And another end will be inserted into 12th pin of Arduino board. Take one more jumper wire. Now insert one end into the breadboard where RW pin of LCD is located. And insert another end into the ground terminal of Arduino board. Take one more jumper wire. Insert one end into the breadboard point where LCD enable pin is present. And insert another end into the Arduino board pin 11. Take one more jumper wire. Insert one end into the D4 pin of LCD display. And insert another end into the 5th pin of Arduino board. Again one more jumper wire. Now insert one end into the D5 pin of LCD display. And insert another end into the 4th pin of Arduino board. One more jumper wire. Insert one end into D6 pin of LCD display. Another end into 3rd pin of Arduino board. Again take one more jumper wire. So insert one end into D7 pin of LCD display. Now remaining end into 2nd pin of Arduino board. And that's it. So we have finally done the wiring part. Make sure all the jumper wires are connected properly. Let's step into the programming part to display a simple hello world text onto this LCD display. So connect the Arduino board to the system. Make sure before programming the Arduino board, the LCD display have to show these black boxes. Open the Arduino IDE software in the system. If Arduino IDE software is not installed, you can check out my another video on how to install Arduino IDE software and how to upload a program into Arduino board. And the link is also given in the description as well. Okay, let's back to our programming part. Once the software is opened, Go to the file on top left corner and click on examples. Now check if there is any example called liquid crystal. So we can see there is nothing like that. In this case, we need to manually install the liquid crystal library. So go to library manager and search for liquid crystal, and it will show some results of different libraries, but we need to install the correct library called liquid crystal by Arduino Adafruit. So select the correct one and click on install. Make sure the system has connected to the internet. We can see the library has installed successfully. Let's close this library manager. Now again go to the file and click on examples. Here we can see our liquid crystal under custom libraries. And this liquid crystal contains lot of example programs. So let's open a simple hello world program and upload to Arduino board. Now a new tab will open. So this is the program to display hello world on our LCD display. To upload this program, select the Arduino board that we have connected to the system and click on upload. Now the code has been successfully uploaded. Let's check our LCD display. Even after uploading the code, if the LCD is not displaying anything, in this case just adjust the potentiometer. Now we can see the LCD is displaying hello world text along with seconds count as well. If your wiring is not done properly, the LCD won't able to get the proper data from Arduino. So in this case it will show some random data that we can't able to understand. If your LCD is showing like this, just click on reset button of Arduino board. So make sure that all the jumper wires are connected properly and check every jumper wire before using. Based on our requirements, we can also modify the text in the LCD display. For example, let's modify this line from Hello World to MK Smart Creations. Now upload the code. So the code has been successfully uploaded. Now we can see the modified text in the LCD display. In this way, you can configure the LCD display by modifying the code according to your project requirements. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this useful, subscribe to the channel to get more project videos and troubleshooting steps just like this. See you in the next video.